Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube automotive channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how to use Armor All smoke odor elimination technology spray. So if your vehicle has some odor that you don't like, it can be like anything from smoke, spats, like water, mold, like you can use something like that. There are a lot of different brands on the market. I tried this one a few times and it works really well for me. And it's pretty easy to use it. So basically you have instructions how to use it in the back of the can, but basics is that vehicle should be unoccupied, like no people, pets or plants in the vehicle. You need to have all the windows closed, and most important thing is, so you will have to start your vehicle. You will have to turn AC on, select inside the recirculation button, put it to the highest fan setting. I'm gonna reduce it now so you can hear me talking. So basically after you turn the AC on, inside the recirculation button, the highest fan speed on, then simply you want to place this somewhere in the middle of your console. It can be like here, it can be like here, and then you will just have to push this down. And when this spray can is activated, you want to leave it inside the vehicle for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes you will get into the vehicle, you will remove this can, throw it in garbage, and you will leave your windows open for an extra 15 minutes. So I'm gonna start the process. AC is on, recirculation is on, highest settings, and I'll simply just press onto this spray can all the way down, and then close your door. When the 15 minutes is up, you can get into the vehicle, turn AC off. You want to open both windows or all 4 windows, shut off the vehicle, and that's about it. You can dispose this. Thanks for watching my video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe. Bye.